Dismantle and install the handle. Part 1. Dismantle the handle. 1. Lower down the lowering lever. 2. Push the chain out of the lever plate. 3. Disconnect the weight module wire and the handle wire harness one by one. 4. Insert the pressing bar on top of the spring. 5. Take out the clip. 6. Take out the shaft and the handle is dismantled. The handle is dismantled and the truck is ready to be packed. Part 2. Install the handle. 1. Put back the shaft to the cylinder shell. 2. Insert the shaft to the handlebar. Do not press the wire harness. 3. Remove the pressing bar on top of the spring. 4. Connect the weight module wire and handle wire harness one by one. 5. Tilt backward the handle and insert the chain back to the handlebar. 6. Insert the chain to the lever plate. The handle is installed and truck is ready to go.